Every second, the semiconductor industry changes, new technologies emerge, and supply chains evolve. Markets react, and companies compete. Billions of dollars move before most people even notice. The information exists, but it's scattered across thousands of sources. Finding it is difficult. Understanding it is even harder. What if semiconductor intelligence was available instantly? Introducing SemiconLive, an AI-powered semiconductor intelligence platform designed to transform raw information into actionable insight. From the landing page to the dashboard, monitor the companies shaping tomorrow's technology, all in one place. Track over 100 companies with real-time news, financials, and supply chain updates. Ask complex questions. Get instant answers, like comparing NVIDIA and AMD's AI strategies in seconds. Our AI analyzes live monitor data to generate executive-grade intelligence and professional reports. Deep dive into financial health, competitive positioning, and technology roadmaps. From materials to market intelligence, everything is connected and at your fingertips. Whether you're an analyst, an investor, a consultant, or a technology leader, SemiconLive helps you move faster, make smarter decisions, and stay ahead of the competition. SemiconLive. The future of semiconductor intelligence starts here. Start your free trial today.